Hi, I'm Peter, and this is how to install an end panel in your kitchen. Let's get into it. End panels and fillers are essential for giving your kitchen that polished and built-in look. They cover exposed cabinet sides and fill gaps between cabinets and walls, ensuring everything looks seamless. Start by measuring the spaces where you'll need end panels. End panels should sit flush with the top of the cabinets and extend 20 mm beyond the front to align with the doors. This overhang accounts for door thickness and provides a neat finish. If you've attached your doors like we have here, now is the time to take them off. If the panel doesn't fit perfectly due to uneven walls or floors, you may need to trim it. Mark the necessary adjustments and use a plane to make precise cuts. Always trim from the areas that will be hidden once installed. Next, position the end panel against the cabinet side, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Use clamps to hold it in place. Pre-drill holes through the cabinet side into the panel, then secure it with screws. Once all panels are installed, check for any unevenness. Make final adjustments as needed to ensure everything is level and aligned. And there you have it. You've installed an end panel to complete your kitchen. If you like this video, check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.